Look, 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 everybody. Look at that shine. Look at that length. Look at the comparison. Are you seeing it? I am definitely seeing it. Now, guys, this is my protective style that I had in for 2 weeks. And you know, I had jumbo braids, and that's not something I generally do. Now, this is April 2022. Now, look at this comparison, guys. This is in 2022, July. Are you seeing the difference? I'm definitely seeing the difference. Comment if you are seeing the difference. Now, this is after my hair was shampooed. The same, look at the picture before. If you need to go back and look. Are you seeing the difference? It's like my hair came to life. I tell you, just a bit of water can make a whole lot of difference. Now, guys, are you loving this style? I am definitely loving it. I want to show you some of my protective style. So you know I generally do fine braids, and this is one of the styles. So after I go through, so my hair was shampooed and moisturized, and I also did a banana treatment. And then what I did was to take each jumbo twist, I used my fingers and I detangled. Yes, guys, I did use my fingers, no comb. I'm serious. You can check out my other videos that will show you. As a matter of fact, I'm going to link some in the description box for you that you can see where I was able to use my finger to detangle. Look at the style. I'm loving it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to really just use this one style into make a lot of cute style. My hair is feeling really, really, really nice. So that was style number one. So we are going to, I'm going to show you how I was able to make that style. So I just get an elastic band and I just take a portion and just put it to the side. You could actually do it in smaller sections and just make it into a nice little flat twist to the side. But I decided not to do a flat twist. So if you're in a hurry, you need a different look, this is definitely a quick style for you. Look at the comparison, guys. Look at the comparison. Don't you see my hair is growing? My hair is definitely growing and I'm loving it. I'm showing you again. I can't believe it. My hair come to life. Now I'm going to show you style number two. Because you know I love to rock it in different style. I don't want to go in one style for the entire month or the 3 weeks that I'll keep this protective style for. You know me. I keep my protective style for at least a month. Sometimes I go maybe 6 weeks, 7 weeks tops. Or if I'm doing a challenge, I might go on a 2 month challenge. But me tell you, say me really, I go try avoid those 2 months challenge. Oh my goodness. But look at this style number two. Quite easy, having a nice fall to the front, almost to the side, but more to the front. I think it's looking pretty cute. What do you think? If you like it, I think it makes my face bright and shine and nice. Come on, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you love it, come on, let the button speak your language. So we're going to be getting ready for style number three. Let me tell you something, guys. I'm loving this journey. I am loving the journey. So for style number three, you're going to be doing a nice twist to the front. Now I'm using an earpin this time, and then I use it to secure the hair at the front. Quite simple, quite easy, quite elegant, and it fits me perfectly. What do you think? Oh, and I just take two to the side, give it an extra look and an extra pump and motivation. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm feeling fantastic. I'm feeling really, really good. You seeing my face? I think I'm glowing. What do you think? Guys, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that bell. What are you waiting for? I'm just loving all these styles. What do you think? What do you think? I'm just rocking them. And if you want to do what you can also do, you can just leave it as it is and just leave it to flow. Let me tell you. So after this banana and honey mask, look at the shine. I'm sure you're seeing it, guys. Bye. Bye for now. Until my next one. Mwah.